How to download and install IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, you must open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for IMO. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here, simply tap on install. So what is this app about? Basically, this is a messaging app. So it works like a regular messaging app. Here you can have different calls and messages and basically used internationally. Now the app is installed and you can easily use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.